Chakku, chakku. Check. 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 Check.
Right. Good afternoon, children. Welcome to Maths CET class. Yesterday we completed complex numbers and quadratic equations CET chapter. Now let us start a new chapter called binomial theorem. Right. Binomial theorem. Okay, before we are going to do problems under this chapter, first let us know some synopsis points. Okay, synopsis. Okay, number one is the number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole power n. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole power n. See, the number of terms in the expansion of x plus y whole power n are. So, if you expand this term, how many terms comes in the expansion is n plus 1. One more than the exponent. Suppose whole power 9 is there, in that expansion 9 plus 1, 10 terms are there. Right. Second, the number of terms in the trinomial expansion. Right. The number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z whole power n r. This is binomial term. This is a trinomial term. How many terms are there in that expansion is n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 2. N plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. That much number of terms are there in that expansion. Okay. Suppose polynomial given. How many terms are there? Formula. The number of terms in the expansion of x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on xr whole power n is. This is binomial, this is trinomial, this is polynomial. How many terms are there? If you expand that one, how many terms comes in that expansion is n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. That is formula. N plus r within the bracket, how many terms are there? Power n within the bracket, how many terms are there? Minus 1 c r minus 1. That much number of terms are there. And 4. In the expansion of x plus y whole power n, general term formula. So, in the expansion of x plus y whole power n, general term formula tr plus 1. So, general term formula tr plus 1 formula is ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. General term formula r plus 1th term formula is ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. Okay. Now, fifth point. See, 1 plus x whole power n formula. 1 plus x whole power n formula according into binomial theorem. X plus y whole power n or a plus b whole power n formula is nc naught plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square and so on plus ncn into x power n. 1 plus x whole power n formula nc naught plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square and so on ncn into x power n. Okay. 6. In the expansion of x plus y whole power n, in the expansion of x plus y whole power n, suppose n is even, power is even, then that expansion has only one middle term. So, if n is even, then middle term formula, is t n by 2 plus 1 in the expansion of x plus y whole power n. Suppose n is even number, how many middle terms are there? Is only one middle term. What is that formula? Is t n by 2 plus 1. Second, if n is odd, suppose n is odd, then that expansion has two middle terms. What are those? Is then middle term is equal to t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. So, if n is even, only one middle term. If n is odd, then it has two middle terms, namely t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. Okay. 7. Let us assume that f of x is a polynomial. Let f of x is a polynomial. Any polynomial, a0 plus a1 x plus a2 x square plus and so on, like that f of x is given. Then sum of the coefficients formula, if you expand that one, coefficients will come, nc0, nc1, nc2, like that coefficients comes. Sum of coefficients formula. Then number 1, sum of coefficients, sum of the coefficients formula is equal to f of 1. So, in the given function, in the given polynomial, put x is equal to 1. You will get sum of the coefficients. Second, sum of the coefficients of even powers of x. Sum of the coefficients, but which powers is even powers, x power 0, x square, x power 4, coefficients sum formula, right? Sum of the coefficients of even powers of x, formula is f of 1 plus f of minus 1 divided by 2. First to find f of 1, after that find f of minus 1, put x value minus 1, add them, divided by 2, that will give sum of the coefficients of even powers of x. Now 3, sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x, formula is odd powers x, x cubed, x power 5, x power 7, coefficients sum formula is f of 1 minus f of minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is the synopsis. First write down these points. After that I will write one more point, 8. Write it. Okay, 8. 8 is, if the coefficients of x power r and x power r plus 1 in the expansion of, see, if the coefficients of x power r and x power r plus 1 in the expansion of a plus x by b whole power n are equal, then what is formula? Right, here one binomial term is there. In that expansion, x power r coefficient to x power r plus 1 coefficients to equal. Then what is the formula for n is equal to r plus 1 into ab plus 1 minus 1. n is equal to r plus 1 into ab plus 1 minus 1. Okay, write down this one. And 9 is the total number of terms in the expansion of in the expansion of x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n is equal to, so x plus a whole power n plus x minus a whole power n. If you simplify, how many terms are remaining? After simplification, how many terms are there? So formula is n plus 2 by 2 if n is even. Suppose power is even number, we will use this formula. n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. Suppose n is odd number, we can use this formula. Okay, 10th one. The total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n minus x minus a whole power n is equal to, suppose in the middle minus is there, some terms going to cancel, plus terms minus term cancel. After simplification, how many terms are remaining is equal to set of n by 2 if n is even, n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. Suppose n is odd number, this is formula. n is even number, this is formula. So important formulas, what they are frequently asking in the CET examination. So many formulas are there. So write these 10 formulas first. Write it. Okay, now I will start the problems. Okay, leave off page. If any formulas comes, we can write there. Leave off page and start the problems. Okay, first problem, number 1. The number of terms in the expansion of in the expansion of x plus y plus z whole power 10 is the number of terms in the expansion of x plus y plus z whole power 10 is. Okay, solution. This is given in 2020. Here one trinomial term given x plus y plus z whole power 10. If you expand, how many terms are there comes in that expansion. Here n value is 10. So number of terms formula n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. Synopsis second formula given. So number of terms formula is n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 2. Put n value 10 is equal to 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 divided by 2. 10 plus 1 is 11 into 12 divided by 2. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja cancel is equal to 66. So if you expand this term, how many terms comes in that expansion is 66 terms. Okay, write it. Okay, now second problem. The total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power 100 plus x minus a whole power 100 after simplification is okay, this is given in 2009. Okay, solution. Okay, understand the problem. The total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power 100 plus x minus a whole power 100 after simplification is. So according into ninth formula, here n value is 100, which is even number. So number of terms formula is n plus 2 by 2. So here n is equal to 100, which is even, that is even number. Therefore total number of terms formula is n plus 2 divided by 2. Middle plus is there, so this is formula. Suppose minus is there, n by 2. Put n value 100 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 102 by 2 is equal to 51. So total number of in that expansion is 51. Write it. Okay, third problem. third problem given in 2017, the total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power 47 minus x minus a whole power 47 after simplification is the total number of terms. Here one expression given, x plus a whole power 47 minus x minus a whole power 47. How many terms are remaining after simplification? So according into 10th formula, synopsis 10th formula, here n value is 47, which is odd number. So total number of terms formula is either plus is there or minus is there. Same formula, n plus 1 by 2 is equal to n value 47 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 48 by 2 is equal to 24. So how many terms are there in that expansion is 24 terms are there. Write it. Okay, fourth problem. The total number of terms in the expansion of x square plus y square whole power 25 minus x square minus y square whole power 25 after simplification is, this is given in 2019. So observe that all these type of question only asking 2019, 2020, 2017 like that. Here one expression given, how many terms are remaining after simplification. So here n value is 25, in the middle minus is there. So here n is equal to 25, which is odd number, odd. Total number of terms formula n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 25 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So how many terms are remaining after simplification is 13 terms. Write it. You do one problem has homework, right? Fifth problem. The total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power 51 minus x minus a whole power 51 after simplification is, do it has homework. Okay, sixth problem. If the coefficients of x power 7 and x power 8 in 2 plus x by 3 whole power n are equal, then n is equal to okay, solution. Understand the question. If the coefficients of x power 7 and x power 8 in 2 plus x by 3 whole power n are equal. What is the value of n? Here binomial term given, x power 7 coefficient to x power 8 coefficient to equal. What is n value? So in the synopsis I given, if the coefficients of x power r and x power r plus 1 in the expansion of a plus x by b whole power n are equal, then formula is n is equal to r plus 1 into ab plus 1 minus 1. If coefficients are equal, that is formula. Right, what is a, what is b, what is r? So here r is equal to 7, x power r value is 7, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. They are asked to find n. Substitute them. 7 plus 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 7 plus 1 8, 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7 minus 1, 8 7 is 56 minus 1 is equal to 55. So what is the value of n is 55. Write it. Okay. Now, seventh problem. The sum of the coefficients, the sum of the coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x minus 3x square whole power 3148 is 148 is okay. Solution. The sum of the coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x minus 3x square whole power 3148 is, if you expand so many terms comes, I want coefficients sum of the coefficients. So let us assume that given polynomial, given function, given expression as f of x. So let f of x is equal to 1 plus x minus 3x square whole power 3148. I assumed given function as f of x. According into synopsis, sum of the coefficients formula is f of 1. Therefore, sum of the coefficients formula is f of 1. So in the given function, put x as 1. You will get 1 plus x value 1 minus 3 into 1 square whole power 3148 is equal to 1 plus 1 2 minus 3 whole power 3148 minus 1 whole power 3148 minus 1 whole power 3148 is even number. Minus 1 whole square 1, minus 1 whole power 4 1, minus 1 whole power 6, even number is 1. So answer is 1. So if you add all the coefficients, what is sum is 1. Write it. Okay, eighth problem. The sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x in the expansion of 1 plus x plus x square whole power 15 is okay. Solution. Understand the question. The sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x in the expansion of, last problem sum of the coefficients we did. Here sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x power x coefficient to x cubed coefficient, x power 5 coefficient sum they are asked to find. I given in the synopsis sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x formula f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. So let us assume that given function is f of x. So let f of x is equal to 1 plus x square whole power 15. Therefore, sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x formula is f of 1 plus f of minus 1 divided by 2. Sorry, here minus will come. Even powers is middle plus, odd powers minus 1. Put x value 1. If you put x value 1 is equal to x value 1 plus 1 square is 1 whole power 15 minus put x value minus 1 minus 1 whole square 1 whole power 15 whole divided by 2. Put x value minus 1 minus 1 whole square root 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 power 15 minus 1 power anything is 1 by 2. Okay, that is the sum of coefficients of odd powers of x. Okay. Now, ninth problem. If the value of, this is given in 2013, if the value of C0 plus 2 into C1 plus 3 into C2 and so on plus n plus 1 into Cn is equal to 576, then n is equal to options are 7, 5, 6, 9. Okay, understand the question. If the value of C0 means NC0 plus 2 into C1 means NC1 plus 3 into NC2 and so on n plus 1 into Cn is equal to 576. What is the value of n? I want to find n. Okay. write the given condition. Okay, C naught plus 2 into C1 plus 3 into C2 and so on plus n plus 1 into Cn is equal to 576. It is in the form, one CET formula is there, it is in the form A into C naught plus A plus D into C1 plus A plus 2D into C2 plus and so on plus A plus ND into Cn. A into C naught plus A plus D into C1 plus A plus 2D into C2 and so on A plus ND into Cn. Formula is 2A plus ND into 2 power n minus 1. That is the CET formula. Write that formula in the synopsis. 2A plus ND into 2 power n minus 1. Here A value, A is equal to, by comparing what is A value is 1. C1 coefficient A plus D, here C1 coefficient 2. So A plus D is equal to 2. A value 1 plus D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So A value 1, D value 1. LHS side formula 2A, A means 1 plus n, D means 1 into 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 576. Since this formula 2A plus nd into 2 power n minus 1, 2 plus n into 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 576. They are asked to find n value. Here 576 you can do it as prime factorization method or use verification method. Options are there, n, 7, 5, 6, 9. Put any value, which option satisfies, that is answer. So put n is equal to 7. First option, 2 plus 7 is 9 into 2 power 7 minus 1 6 is equal to 576. 2 power 6 64 9 ja 9 4 ja 36 9 6 ja 54 plus 3 57. So 576 is equal to 576 satisfied. So what is value of n is 7. So first option holds. It is in the form A into C naught plus A plus D into C1 plus A plus 2D into C2 and so on. Formula 2A plus ND into 2 power n minus 1. So here A value 1, A plus D is 2, D 1 plus D equal to D is 1. So 1 adding, common difference is 1. Substituted. Use options verification method. If you put n value 7, 576 equal to 576 coming. So that is the value of n. Okay. Okay, this is CET formula. Write it. Okay, 10th problem. 10. The 11th term in the expansion of the 11th term in the expansion of x plus 1 by root x whole power 14 is x plus 1 by root x whole power 14 is, okay, this is given in 2016. Okay, solution. The 11th term in the expansion of x plus 1 by root x whole power 14 is, it is in the form x plus y whole power n. It is in the form x plus y whole power n. I am asking, if you expand that one, you will get n plus 1, 15 terms. Out of 15 terms, they are asked to find 11th term. So 11th term denoted by T11. T11 can be written as T10 plus 1 is equal to, it is in the form TR plus 1, formula NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. TR plus 1, fourth formula given, general term formula NCR into x power n minus r into y power r is equal to n means 14, c r means 10, TR plus 1, r is 10 into x power, okay, x power 14 minus 10 into y power r means 1 by root x whole power r is 10 is equal to 14c10 can be written as 14c4. 14c10 can be written as 14c4 because you know formula NCR is equal to NC n minus r. 14 minus 10 is 4 into x power 4 into 1 power 10 is 1. Root x is x power 1 by 2 whole power 10. Simplify 14c4 can be written as, it is in the form NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, or 4 terms by 4 terms, 14 into 13 into 12 into 11, 4 terms by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into x power 4 into 1 by x power 5. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Cancel it. 3 4 ja, 12 cancel. Here x power 4 cancel. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja cancel. Okay, 11 7 ja, 77 into 13. 13 7 ja, 91. 13 7 ja, 91 plus 9, 100 is equal to 1001 divided by 1 x is remaining x. Okay, that is the 11th term in the given expansion. Write it. 1001 by x. Okay, 11th problem. This is given in 2014. The middle term in the expansion of expansion of 10 by x plus x by 10 whole power 10 is 10 by x plus x by 10 whole power 10 is. Okay, solution. The middle term in the expansion of 10 by x plus x by 10 whole power 10 is, it is in the form x plus y whole power n. N value 10. 10 is even number. So, if n is even, then x plus y whole power n has only one middle term. What is that middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. So, middle term formula t n by 2 plus 1. So, here n is equal to 10. Therefore, middle term 10 is even number. So, which is even? Middle term formula t n by 2 plus 1 is equal to t n by 2, 10 by 2 plus 1 is equal to t 5 plus 1, means sixth term is the t 5 plus 1 is 6. Sixth term is middle term. That term I have to find. Okay, it is in the form sixth term is middle term. Okay, but I want that value. It is in the form tr plus 1, formula ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. ncr into x power n minus r into y power r is equal to n means 10. See, r value is 5, t r plus 1 5 into x power x is 10 by x whole power 10 minus 5 into x by 10 whole power 5. This is x, first term is x, second term is y, or a plus b also, anything, is equal to 10c5 into, take power to each term, 10 minus 5 is 5, so 10 power 5 by x power 5 into x power 5 by 10 power 5. Right, cancel madri, 10 power 5, 10 power 5, x power 5 cancel, is equal to 10c5. So, what is the middle term in that expansion is 10c5. This is given in 2014. This is given in 2016. Okay, write it. Okay, sorry, this is given in 15 only. 15, 16. Okay, 12th problem. The constant term in the expansion of the constant term in the expansion of x square minus 1 by x square whole power 16 is okay, this is given in 2018. Middle term, constant term, like that. 11th term they are asked to find, like that only, easily. Okay, easily we will get the marks. the constant term in the expansion of, see that here one binomial term given, if you expand you will get 17 terms. In that one, what is constant term? Constant term means the term not having x, only constant is there, 25 by 36, 8 by 5, like that only constant is there. I want that term. Constant term is also called term independent of x. It is also called term independent of x. Sometimes they are asked to find like this, term independent of x. Constant term is also called term independent of x. That we have to find. So, for anything, first of all, simplify the general term. General term formula is TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. So, general term TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. It is in the form x plus y whole power n. Always compare with plus only. Substitute n value 16, c r we don't know, power is 16 into x is x square whole power 16 minus r, y is minus 1 by x square whole power r. X is x square, y is minus 1 by x square is equal to 16 cr into a power m whole power n is a power mn. So, x power 2 into 16, 16 2 is 32 minus 2r. Take the power to each term, minus 1 whole power r by x power 2r is equal to 16 cr into a power m by a power n, formula a power m minus n. So, x power 32 minus 2r into minus 1 whole power r. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n. Write in order, minus 1 whole power r into 16 cr into x power 32 minus 4r. Minus 2r is minus 4r. They asked to find constant term, means no x. No x means remove x. How to remove this x is equate that power to 0. Equate that power to 0. X power 0, 1. So, x will not be there. So, put 32 minus 4r is equal to 0. Equate this power to 0. 32 is equal to 4r. R is equal to 8. So, that is r value 8. Substitute here, you will get answer. So, t 8 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power 8 into 16 c8 into x power 0 is equal to 16 c8. Minus 1 whole power 8, 1, x power 0, 1. So, that is the constant term. That is the term independent of x. Anything 16 c8 is the answer. Suppose they ask you to find the coefficient of x, find the coefficient of x power 12 in the expansion of x power 12 coefficient. If you ask, equate this power to 12. Coefficient of x power 12. So, equate that power to 12, you will get r value, substitute, you will get the answer. Term independent of x is equate that power to 0. Okay, you do one problem has homework. 13. The term independent of x. The term independent of x. X in x minus 3 by x square x minus 3 by x square whole power 9 is, options are number 1 9c2, 2268, minus 2268, 4, none of these. Right? You do this problem as homework. Okay, 14th problem. If 21st and 22nd terms, if 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 44, 1 plus x whole power 44 are equal, then x is equal to, okay, this is given in 2014. Okay, solution. Understand the problem. If 21st and 22nd terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 44 are equal, then x is equal to. So, if you expand this term, you will get 45 terms. Out of 45, 21st and 22nd terms are equal. What is x value? Right. They said 21st term is equal to 22nd term. These two terms are equal. T21 can be written as T20 plus 1. This can be written as 21 plus 1. It is in the form TR plus 1. TR plus 1 formula NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. N is 44. So, 44 C 20 into 1 power 44 minus 20 into x power 20 is equal to TR plus 1 formula NCR 44 C21 into 1 power 44 minus 21 into x power r means 21. NCR into x power n minus r into y power r means x power 21. Okay, 44 C20 into x power 20 is equal to 44 C21 into x power 21. 1 power anything is 1, 1 power anything is 1. Okay, here x power 20 cancel. Okay, you will get 44 C20 is equal to 44 C21 into x. Okay, then 1 is equal to 44 C21 by 44 C20 into x. 1 is equal to 44 C21 by 44 C20. It is in the form NCR by NCR minus 1. NCR by NCR minus 1. Formula is, see, R is there, one term decreased, R minus 1. Formula N minus of R minus 1. N minus of R minus 1 divided by R. apply that formula. So 1 is equal to n means 44 minus this term you have to write. This term is 20 by 21 into x, since that formula 44 minus 20 by 21. Otherwise you can apply NCR formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Simplify like that, you will get long process. That is shortcut method. NCR by NCR minus 1 is, here 21 is there, 20 is there, like that you have to apply. 1 is equal to 24 by 21 into x. X is equal to cross multiply, 21 1 ja 21 by 24. X is equal to 3 7 ja 3 8 ja 7 by 8. Okay, that is the value of x. X is equal to 21 by 24. Write this formula in synopsis, important formula. Okay, 15th problem. In the binomial expansion of, otherwise say 15, if rth and r plus 1th term, if rth and r plus 1th terms in the expansion of, in the expansion of p plus q whole power n, p plus q whole power n are equal, then n plus 1 into q by r into p plus q, r into p plus q is, options are 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Okay, solution. This is given in 2011. Understand the question. If rth and r plus 1th terms in the expansion of p plus q whole power n are equal, then what is this value? N plus 1 into q by r into p plus q. Rth term, r plus 1th term equal. So, given that Tr is equal to Tr plus 1. Tr plus 1, you know, we can apply the formula. Tr can be written as T r minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, you will get r only. Is equal to Tr plus 1. So, okay, it is in the form Tr plus 1. Formula NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. NCR, n only. C, r is r minus 1 into p power n minus of r minus 1 into y power r q power r minus 1. NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. This is also NCR into p power n minus r into q power r. Okay. So, NCR minus 1 into p power n minus r plus 1 into q power r is equal to ncr into p power n minus r into q power r. Okay, ncr minus 1 into it is in the form a power m plus n. A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. So p power n minus r into p into q power r is q power r. A power m plus n formula, a power m into a power n is equal to ncr into p power n minus r into q power r. Cancel it. Here q power r cancel. P power n minus r, p power n minus r cancel. Okay. Hey, sorry, here q power r minus 1 is there. So q power r by q. What is remaining here? P by q is remaining. LHS side p by q remaining. P by q. RHS side ncr by ncr minus 1 is remaining. ncr by ncr minus 1. Okay, p by q is equal to this formula, direct formula, n minus of r minus 1 by r. Direct formula. Cross multiply. Pr is equal to q into n minus r plus 1. Pr is equal to q n into q, nq minus rq plus q1 ja q. nq minus rq plus q. Right. Pr minus rq become plus rq is equal to nq plus q. Take r common, p plus q. Here q common, n plus 1. Okay. Send this term to that side. Is equal to 1 is equal to n plus 1 into q by r into p plus q. I send this term also that side. So what is that? Answer is 1. So n plus 1 into q by r into p plus q, answer is 1. The given options are 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So option is 1. They said rth and r plus 1th terms are equal. This is direct formula. But change that r into general term formula, t r minus 1 plus 1. Simplify, you are getting the answer. Write it. Okay, 16th problem. Right. 16th problem. In the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power 15, 1 plus x whole power 15, comma, the coefficients of x power r and x power r plus 3, x power r plus 3 are equal, then r is equal to, okay, solution. Understand the question. In the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power 15, if the coefficients of x power r and x power r plus 3 are equal, then r is equal to, according into question, not terms, coefficients equal, what is r value? Okay, first I will expand 1 plus x whole power 15, 1 plus x whole power 15 is equal to, it is in the form 1 plus x whole power n. So in the synopsis, fourth formula given, 1 plus x whole power n formula, nc naught 15c naught plus nc1 into x 15c1 into x plus nc2 15c2 into x square and so on, plus 15c15 into x power 15 ncn into x power n. By observing that, right, they said coefficient of x power r is equal to coefficient of x power r plus 1, given, this is given condition. See, what is x coefficient ma? 15c1, x power 1 is the 15c1, x square is 15c2, x power 15 is 15c15. What is x power r? X square is 15c2, x power r is 15cr, x power r plus 1 is 15cr plus 1, x square 2, 15. I am asked to find r value. It is in the form ncr is equal to ncs, ncr is equal to ncs. Anybody, what is formula? So formula is either r is equal to s or n is equal to r plus s, either r is equal to s or n is equal to r plus s. So coefficient of x power r plus 3, sorry, so r is equal to r plus 3, r is equal to s, or n is equal to, means 15 is equal to r plus 3, r plus s, like that. So here r cancel, 0 equal to 3, so which is impossible, 0 not equal to 3. 15 is equal to r plus r, 2r plus 3, 15 minus 3 is 12 is equal to 2r, r is equal to 6. Okay, that is the value of r. Write it. Okay, we will meet in the next class. So before going to chapter, read the synopsis formulas. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children. On Sunday we are having CET exam. Which chapters you know? Trigonometry, trigonometric equations, complex numbers, binomial theorem, permutation combinations, statistics. Those 5 chapters for this Sunday exam. Maths 60 questions are there. Trigonometry, complex numbers, binomial theorem, permutation combinations, statistics. Okay, all the best. Right. Mm-hmm.